Group's Indo-Star Capital is looking at filing for an IPO this year. CNBC TV 18's Nisha Podar caught up with the co-founder Sain on the IPO plans and the contours of the mega JV with CPPIB to invest about $1.5 billion in logistics and industrial parks.
The new vehicle, which is the joint venture in which CPP is investing, the first tranche of this is to buy our existing ready, fully leased assets. So that's around 12 million square feet across the country in 13 or I think 14 different developments. So that's the first tranche, which is $500 million. The second tranche is as our assets that are under development across the country again get ready, they will move into Indo-Space Core, or at least Indo-Space Core has the option to buy them. And look, those numbers are floating, but bottom line is it's probably a little over 20 million square feet, which we would value depending on what the value is, but I think call it $700 or $800 million. And then there is a entire new greenfield development that we undertake to develop another 20-30 million square feet across India. So I expect the whole package to be about 50 million square feet, of which probably we are 25% of the way there in terms of finished and ready assets.
So, Samir, what is the timeline for completing this 50 million square feet of logistics park?
Generally, I would expect this to be hit in the next sort of 5 to 7 years. We should probably get to at least 35 million in the next 36 to 48 months.
Now, financial services sector is looking very hot. Are you also looking at riding the wave by probably listing an IPO of Indo-Star Capital?
Indo-Star is something we control, we run ourselves, we created, and I think that there's a high probability we'll take that at least file to go public later this year. As you know, we have a fantastic new CEO for that business, and we have an exceptional team. And as we grow the B2C business, we already have a very strong B2B business. I think that we will probably come to market later this year.
Also, Samir, you have spoken to Guneet Chadda to lead probably Indo-Star Capital in the past, but with R. Sridhar joining as the CEO, is that particular plan off the table?
As you know, Guneet is an exceptional person with a phenomenal track record and top talent and a good friend. And I think, after speaking with a lot of people, it's a two-way street. I think both have to find the right fit. We just felt that Sridhar fits the business well.